Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want more content beyond the standard library, Prime Video channels let you subscribe to additional services like Premium Network directly inside the application, all in one place. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a channel subscription on Prime Video in 2026, simple and clear. Okay, so you have to know that channels are optional, paid add-ons. Free trials are often available. Billing is handled through your Prime account. Okay, so first thing, open Prime Video, like launch the Prime Video app or website. Go to the home screen, okay, to be ready to explore. Go to channels section, like look for channels or subscriptions. Scroll to see available services. You will find different channel options. Okay, so browse available channels, like you may say, or you may see options like movies and series channels, TV networks, kids content, okay, sports channels. So each channel, as you can see, shows price and trial info. So select a channel, like tap on the channel you want, opens, so it opens the subscription page. Start free trial or subscribe, like tap free or tap start free trial if available, or tap subscribe. Confirm your subscription and confirm payment, like charges will be added to your Amazon account. Subscription starts immediately. Okay, so you can cancel anytime. Start watching, like open the channel content, tap play. You have full access unlocked, and manage or cancel. So you can, for example, go to account, subscriptions, and select channel, cancel if needed. Full control over your subscriptions. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.